Wine is so interesting. You don't even have to speak the same language. You bring a bottle of wine, a hunk of cheese, and a piece of bread, everybody becomes friend.
I want wines that people will walk away and say, wow, that was truly remarkable.
Really cool in the Midwest and Wisconsin, and helping to promote this industry that's just growing and becoming better and better. We're proud to be part of that.
I would love for people to really experience that Napa-style winery, but in local Wisconsin.
Wisconsin and winemaking. You might not think the two go hand in hand, but years of selection, cultivation, and hybridization of grape varieties have led to a booming Wisconsin wine scene. And today, we're visiting 4 that we've deemed iconic.
Hello and welcome to Discover Wisconsin.
When we started thinking about iconic wineries in Wisconsin, it was a given to include our first stop. Located on a scenic hillside across from the Wisconsin River in Prairie du Sac, Wollersheim Winery. Wollersheim Winery is, at its essence, just absolutely stunning. When you drive in, you feel like it's otherworldly. Oh, it's just so beautiful. This is right here in our backyard. So the first thing I did when I arrived is I got to do a wine tasting with Celine, who is the daughter of Philippe and Julie, the owners of Wollersheim.
So this is the Eagle White. It's one of my favorite wines here. Grows on the estate, and it's made with La Crosse and St. Pepin grapes, which are both bred in Wisconsin, so they're native to Wisconsin.
Wow. And so now we're going to try the Scarlet Female, which is the Prairie Fume's counterpart, the red version.
You know, Prairie Fume was so successful, for the last 30 years, and it's what allowed our business to grow. And we felt like it was time to give it a red brother. We wanted to bring that style of the Prairie Fume, that softness, that hint of sweetness, to one of our red wines.
My name is Philippe Cookow. I am the co-owner and the winemaker here at Wollersheim Winery. So I came on board in 1984. It was a long time dream of mine to come to America. Bob Wollersheim picked my name as a potential intern and worked in the vineyard. I fell in love with Bob and Joanne's daughter. And then one day Bob asked me to take over the production side of the business. So I jumped in with head first and 2 feet. I ended up never making it into California. We have been able to recreate a thriving wine culture right here. I don't want to be anywhere else. Grapes have been on this site since 1860s. So continuing that tradition, passing it on to our kids, that's the uniqueness of Wollersheim Winery.
Along with Philippe and his wife, Julie, there's multiple family members involved at Wollersheim. Their daughter, Celine, is responsible for the lab work, quality control, and tasting at the winery, while her husband, Tom, runs the Wollersheim distillery. There's also Philippe and Julie's son, Roman, head chef at the Wollersheim Bistro. So what is it like working together as a family?
The beauty of it is that it goes from generation to generation. So we're not looking for a quick result right now. We're building it for the future.
I think for me, it's that we've been able to expand our family. It's not just us, but it's who we've chosen to bring into our family too. And so some of those are people I've grown up with, and
like me.
Like you.
You come in, you order your food right at the counter, everything's on display, everything's made in the kitchen downstairs that morning. I try to keep the menu changing frequently, just to, keep experimenting and keep bringing in a different ingredient, that's at the peak of its quality at that time.
And when people come here, what do you want them to walk away feeling?
Happy, relaxed,
and peaceful.
Great experience. Julie's dad always told us, you can find a great wine anywhere, but you cannot recreate this experience.
I think what I most came away with after talking to the family is that they are very passionate, not only about what they do, but about working together. Watch this episode plus tons of other exclusive content by downloading the Discover Wisconsin app on any streaming device.